Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me doing week 3 of the weekly premium challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this one. It seems like I've done this one before. 1272 remove interval. Yeah, let's take a quick look. I might do an extra problem after this because, well, I've done this before, so we'll see. Okay. I think, yeah, there's certainly a lot of ways to do it. Is this? Oh, so it is already sorted, and then you have another remove. So I mean, I think for this one, you can actually do this in in a linear time frame with a stack. I think I'm gonna try to do that. To be honest, because I think historically, I generally try to do this with defense sorting and stuff like that, and that's probably how I did it last time. Let me check. Wow, that was 5 years ago. Jeez. Yeah, I did it with defense, which is fine, and I talk about it a lot, and I've done this like similar problems. But today we'll just try to do the given that it is sorted, we can do this in a linear time kind of thing. So let's give it a try. Right. So the idea here is using a stack, I think. So then now for UV or maybe SE for start and end in intervals, right? So stack dot append SE maybe, and then let's just say, just for a little bit easier, RS RE is equal to be removed. Ooh, excuse me. Ah, jeez. And then basically, while length of stack is greater than 0 and stack of -1, right? So here we're looking at the top of the stack and see if it intersects with to be removed. So how do I want to? I'm just trying to think what's the cleanest way to do it. I guess we don't even have to do it this way. I think we can just append it afterwards. It's not even a stack because I don't think we need to keep on popping. It's just like a list, to be honest. But I think like similar problems, I would like to keep it as a stack. So that's why I kind of do it this way. But yeah. But basically, let's see if. I mean, I don't know. This is a little bit awkward, right? But yeah, okay. So what's the intersection that we care about? So in the intersection, it's going to be so something like R, S, and E or something, right? That's the intersection. Oh wait, intersection is going to be max of SRS and then min of ERE, right? I think that's right. I might have to rename RE because maybe that's a library for record expression. But yeah, so intersection S, which is okay, maybe that's just terrible. Intersection start and intersection N, maybe. Right. So that's the intersection, but we want to I mean, I don't think that this problem is that tricky. It is just going through all the cases in my head and I'm trying to think whether there's a simplifying way to write this versus just a lot of if statements, which is fine. But I think that's what I'm doing in case you're looking at me and be like, what is this guy doing? But it's just hard to articulate, like all the dots going through my head. But let's see, right? Yeah, I mean, I'm just verifying that I'm not lying about this one, but it should be fine, right? So, yeah, if is greater than that means that, oh, sorry, then that means that the intersection is none, whatever. Then now, if S to the beginning of the intersection, right? So basically, if this is the case, then we can do right, S to start. If the end of the intersection is less than y, then we right. I would also say, to be honest, this is why I don't do it this way. It's just that it's just too many weird things, and I don't know that I'm right, to be honest. And I think maybe that's good. I don't know if that's all the cases. That's like, I just have low confidence about this. That's basically why. Okay. Yeah, I'm surprised I got some stuff right. Oh, well, I guess this doesn't intersect anything. Oh no, that's not right. So I'm pretty happy that that worked. But why didn't this work? Oh, one of them is right. Oh. Because. So else we just let's just forget. I forgot to just like stuff that don't intersect. Is that it? I feel like I'm missing a case, but I'm gonna YOLO submit and then see. Alright, so I guess maybe it's not that bad. I think definitely for this problem you can like you can write in a way that has a lot more if statements is what I was gonna say. Which is why I'm a little bit wary about doing it this way, and worried, I suppose. But and even like as I got all these and it turns out to be correct, not gonna lie, I was not confident about it. So that's why I don't like doing it this way. It's just way I don't know. Where like, and the reason why I'm not confident about it isn't like the algo is wrong. It's just that it's hard to prove to yourself, especially during contests and time constraints, that all your if statement is sufficient. Like you could say that all like each if statement is necessary, but sufficient is harder to either calculate or prove for me. So yeah, that's pretty much it. But basically, the way that I don't think I explained this code, so I'm going to explain it a little bit now. But the idea here for this one, I think I just drew. I didn't visualize it for the people at home, which maybe I should have, and I apologize. But basically, it's just this idea of, I kind of ran the permutation in my head, but we just visualize the two segments and the segment. By you could kind of just reason it out a little bit, and that's basically what I have here. And here it's a little bit easier. It's just saying that if it intersects, then the beginning is greater than the end, and that means that there is an intersection with the current segment. And if there's an intersection with the current segment, then we just see which where it chops off, right? Because the intersection is what we're trying to remove. So that means that it's either going. If there's an intersection, that means that it does not go from S to Y without some weird stuff in the middle, or maybe the end or something like this. And that's basically what the if statements are for. It all makes sense if you kind of draw it out, but yeah. And this is going to be linear time, linear space. Yeah, not sure you could do it. I guess maybe you could play some stuff around with manipulating the original input, but otherwise it should be pretty close to lower bound. But yeah, that's what I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody, or remaining of it. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.